Hello, everybody. How are you today? Sorry, I'm not going to be able to be in class, but we do have an assignment that you're going to work on individually. The substitute will hand these sheets out to you. And what you're going to do, or what we're going to do today, is we're going to be looking at more exponential functions. We're going to be graphing the equation. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to put this equation into Desmos. We're going to get the table and fill in these values here of the y, and then we'll take the x and y and plot the points over here on the graph. Okay, so let me show you how we can do that in Desmos. All we need to do is type in this equation into Desmos, and the easiest way to do it is y equals 3. We're going to use this button here to get to the exponent, then type in x. Again, x. Okay, now we've got the graph. And the way we're going to get the points is by going to the table. So you're going to go up here to this little icon that looks like a gear. Go ahead and press on that, and it's going to give you these options. Okay, you're going to press the one that looks like a table. And then Desmos is going to give you all the y values for each one of these x's. So we have -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And that's what we have in our table, -2, 1, 0, 1, and 2. So all we need to do is look over here and copy these values into our table. So we've got 0.1, 0.33, 1, 3, and 9. So I'm going to go ahead and write that over here. 0.11, 0.33, 1, 3, and 9. Now that I've got my x's and my y's, I'm going to go ahead and plot those points on the graph. So my first point right here is -2, comma 0.11. So I'm going to go to -2 over here and then go up to 0.11. Then I've got -1, comma 0.33. So I've got -1 and then I go up to 0.33. The next one is 0, comma 1. Then 1, comma 3. And then my last one is 2, comma 9. So I'm going to go to x equals 2, and then y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So now that I've got my points, I can go ahead and make my graph. Or I can graph the line or the curve. So that's all I need to do as far as graphing goes. And this right here, this y equals 3 to the x, has a special name. And it's called the parent function, okay? That means it's like the main function. It's like your parents, like it's the one that starts everything. And then the rest of these guys are a transformation of the parent function. So on number 2, we still have the 3 to the x, but now we're adding a 1. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and type that into Desmos, get the table, fill in the y values, and then plot your points here. Once you've done all that, you're going to answer this question. How is this graph different from that of y equals 3 to the x? So what you're going to do is compare this graph, what you get for here, compare it to what we got in number 1, which is up here, and see how this graph is either it's going to move, it's going to change, it's going to do something, and we need to compare this graph that we get for this equation to what we got for 3 to the x. Okay, that's what the question's asking. Let me go ahead and show you how to type this one into Desmos to make sure that we don't make any mistakes. Okay, this one is 3 to the x plus 1. So you're going to go to Desmos, type a new equation, y equals 3 to the x plus 1. Okay. And the number 3, I want you to take a look at this one. Okay, be very careful because number 3, This whole quantity is an exponent. Okay? So be careful the way you type it in. And when we're looking at the table for our x values, we actually want -5, -4, -3, -2, and -1. So let me show you how to type this into Desmos. I'm going to type y equals 3, and you use this one. But you have to type a parentheses, and then x plus 3. So x plus 3 inside the parentheses. Okay. And when you get the table for this one, remember, use this little gear icon, click on table, and that will give you the values. But here, the x values are -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. But what we have in the problem is -5, -4, -3, -2, and -1. So let me show you how to change those. In Desmos, all you need to do is highlight the cell, delete the number, and type the new number. And see the x value changed. Then we want -4, -3, -2, and -1. Okay, and these are the points that you're going to copy over into this table. Then plot these points over here and answer the question. That's the assignment for today. I do want you to complete it and turn it into the sub at the end of class. I'm going to be grading it when I get back. I'll see you guys Thursday, and I hope you have a good day. Okay, thank you.